All right, welcome to a short tutorial on how to use Google Classroom and some of the popular apps and programs we'll be utilizing during the Summer Bridge program. So I've logged in and I've clicked on my Summer Bridge class, and you can see right now I'm in the stream. And anytime I post a new assignment, that'll show up as kind of like an announcement on the stream. But what I want to look at is classwork. And so when you go to classwork, I'm going to post 2 days worth of assignments at a time. So on Monday, I'm going to have Monday and Tuesday's assignments, and then on Wednesday, I'll have Wednesdays and Thursdays assignments. We don't have class on Friday, so you don't have to worry about that. And that way, so you don't get overwhelmed with how much it looks like you might have to do. And if you want to work ahead a little bit, you'll be able to work ahead. So I do have due dates, and it's usually the following Sunday, just so you know when I expect you to have the majority of the work done for each week. So I post the assignments in order from top to bottom of how I'd like you to do them. So for example, this first one is the Flipgrid introduction. And when you click on it, you will see my directions that I have. Yours are going to look a little different on your Flipgrid introduction because I made this just for my daughter. And then you click on the Flipgrid link and it takes you here. And then it'll say log in with Google, and you will need your GSE account to log in. Whoops, we don't want Theo to log in. So make sure you are logged into your GSE account. If you are, it'll say login successful. And I'll have your name up here. It only lets in GSE accounts, so you have to use your Google. And then watch my introduction video here and read the directions. And then when you're ready to record your own introduction video, you hit the plus sign. And I do want to see your face and hear your voice. You have 1.5 minutes. So here I am. Hi. Okay, so that's Flipgrid. All right, back to this. I don't have this quite uploaded yet. Oh, one more thing. So when you are done recording your Flipgrid, go back and hit mark as done. You don't have to attach anything for Flipgrid or Desmos. Just hit mark as done. And that way I know you're finished. If you don't hit mark as done, I'm going to assume that you didn't do it. Okay, so we'll go back to our classwork. There are video assignments. Now I don't quite have the video done. It will be here. Please use Google Chrome when you're watching the videos. You could add comments if you need to add comments directly to me. You can add class comments. But the video will have questions throughout, so make sure you answer the questions. They do get recorded on my end, so I know what you're typing and what you're responding with. And when you're done watching the video, again, mark as done. And again, that video is not attached yet on this example, but it will be when you see your videos tomorrow. All right. All right, and then the last assignment that I want to show you is from Desmos. Now, if you haven't used Desmos before, it's this really nice website that has a lot of interactive activities that help us practice what we're learning. So you do not have to log in, but you do have to enter your first and last name. That records so I know that you've done this. So here's an example of one of the activities you'll be working on next week. It's called Des Farm. So you type in your first and last name. Again, you do not have to log in. You just type in your name. And the nice thing about Desmos is that it records what you're doing as you do this. And so it'll give you directions over here. And then you follow the directions. And then you hit next to get to the next screen. And so it automatically recorded what you wrote on screen 1. So you'll go through all the screens, all 11 of them for this activity, and record your thinking, or in this case, you sort the cards. So here's how the card sort works. I'm just randomly putting things together, but you can see these cards got sorted into piles. And then when you make sure that you answer any prompts. So if you're expected to type out advice or you're thinking, you type that out. And then when you're done, I'm done with blah, 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 blah. Here's my how she can decide explanation. It'll hit share with class. And then you don't have to do anything else except close this window. And then again, last thing, hit this mark is done. You don't have to attach any work. Just go ahead and let me know that you're done with the Desmos activity. And so that's a basic overview of how we'll be running the Summer Bridge program, how to find your classwork activities, how to submit them, how Desmos works, how Flipgrid works. And so if you do have any questions, you can send me a private comment. So I'll get those and I'll answer those and I'll let you know if you need any help. All right.